now is the very beautiful, kahit in person, guys, super beautiful, Liza Soberano!
Thank you! Hello, everyone!
Welcome to the show, Liza. How are you? Kamusta naman ang summer mo so far?
Sobrang saya po kasi pag tuwing nag-work ako, syempre may work pa rin kahit summer. I get to work with friends at saka syempre nabibigyan ako ng work. And sobrang saya kasi I also get to hang out with my family. Lumalabas po kami tuwing summer. So yun.
Wow, good for you. And congratulations on being part of the Star Magic Circle of 2013.
Thank you.
How does it feel na part ka na ng Star Magic Circle?
Sobrang happy, blessed, and thankful kasi binigyan kami ng chance, binigyan kami ng trust ni Mr. M and the other heads na makasama sa Star Magic. So, sobrang happy lang po.
Pero ilang taon ka na ba? And do you still go to school?
Yes, I go to school at St. Patrick's School, incoming fourth year student po, and I'm 15 years old.
Wow, 15 years old at ganito nakaganda. Wait till she blooms pa more, diba? Ano naman yung nagpa-decide sa'yo na pasukin ang mundo ng showbiz?
Nag-start po talaga kasi ako sa modeling. And then, as time passed, yung tita ko, tinanong niya ako kung gusto ko mag-artista. Tapos, trinay po namin yun. Doon nagsimula po lahat.
So, sa modeling.
Yes.
And now, you're an actress. And in fact, you've been part of the movie Must Be Love, kung saan ikaw ang third wheel sa love team nila Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo. Ang hirap na role niya na. Kasi alam naman natin ang mga cast niya, napaka-supportive na fan. So, how was it? Na-pressure ka ba?
Opo, na-pressure ako kasi hindi mo alam kung anong magiging reaction ng mga fans nila, kung tatanggapin ka ng mga tao. So, pressured po ako. At saka, pressured ako kasi malalaking artista na sila, kilala na sila. So, you have to do really good para mapansin ka din ng mga tao. So, yun po.
And speaking of love team naman, kung ikaw papipiliin ka na magiging ka-love team mo, sino ang pipiliin mo?
Secret.
Meron ba? I-share mo naman sa mga mixed viewers natin kung sino gusto mo maka-love team.
Si Enrique Hill po.
Enrique Hill! Ay, napaka-perfect niyang batang yan talaga. Tawag namin sa kanya, Happy Meal, kasi busog ka na, may toy ka pa. Dahil bukod sa Fez, may personality. Okay, any other actors or actresses na gusto mong makatrabaho?
Samuel V. Piolo Pascual. I would also like to work with Julian Estrada and John Lucas. And Ann Curtis po. Ann Curtis,
Curtis. Okay. Any other future projects that viewers can expect from you?
Meron po kaming upcoming MMK with Ella Cruz, Diego Loizaga, and Khalil Ramos. Ewan ko lang po kung kailan ipapalabas. Pero I think it's going to be aired pretty soon.
I'm sure abangan ng mga mixed viewers natin yan. And invite them to follow you on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram, Liza Soberano, one word. I don't have a Facebook, but I have Facebook fan pages. Follow niyo na lang din po yun. Tapos, paki-follow na rin po ang Star Magic Fields, one word, on Instagram and Twitter.
Alright, thank you, Liza Soberano, for dropping by.
Thank you.
Sorry, Liza pala. Liza Soberano.
Liza po.
Liza, not Liza. Okay. And now, here's another pretty girl, Hayley Williams, the vocalist of Paramore. Here they are with Still Into You at number 6.